there are so many types of sarees in India, especially out of like Kanjivaram and Bandhani. Out of all these, which do you like the most?
That's the toughest because any sari,
Yeah, because you
is
are a sari lover and you would love every
any
sari we
sari
know.
because it's not like I have bought saris. It's like my parents have given, my mom has given, my aunt has given. They're all gifted saris during my wedding or maybe later also. And there are people, there are a set of people, who really feel like I deserve certain saris, and they've passed on the vintage saris to me, which are like 40 years old, 50 years old, 50 plus. So I love each sari as that way, and I maintain them so neat. And I can't pick one sari, but most comfortable, if you ask me, I am a comfortable person, right? So I wear more of silk, simple silks. If it's a grand affair or a wedding or something, I wear rich silks. Otherwise, it's simple silks every day. And apart from that, it's like I wear cottons, lots of cottons. Any cottons, maybe you name the Orissa weave or Chettinad or Udupi cottons, Ilkils, and anything, Patadanchu. So I have varieties of cottons, and I wear, and even the one which I'm wearing is, I'll be posting pictures, and this is a Odisha weave. So I pick from each region, at least one saree from each region is like required for me. So it's not like I'll just quote saris that way. I would prefer, end of the thing, I should have a sari from each region and a peculiar weave, and I would be happy having the whole collection there. And hopefully, not hopefully, thankfully, my daughter is also, she loves saris. So probably it would be passed on to her. So that way I'm safe. So I can hold saris. That's not a problem at all.